Okay, here's how it works. There's the firewood rack. And the fine little doggy, 8 months old now. He's turning out to be a good one. There's his mom. Outfeed table. Forks, forklift, homegrown everything. These forks are 4 foot long and the mustache bar is 8 feet wide. This attachment is for logs. Hydraulic chainsaw. Got a fuel pump from a Ford diesel. It gives a big squirt of oil on the bar every time I pull the lever down. Dribbles it out a little at a time. Hydraulics come from the forklift. Right in there off of the valve assembly. Across to the firewood processor. Got the winch there for advancing the logs. Up above is the hydraulics for the pinch post that mashes the log down tight to the trough. Down here's a cable I pulled to feed out the line that's hooked to the hydraulic valve for the winch. I can feed line out and carry my grapple back here. Hook it on the end of a log. This deck will hold 30-foot logs pretty handily. Long logs means a lot less time reloading the deck. Log pile diminished considerably in the last week or so. There's old Red. He takes it pretty easy these days. Uh-oh, they pulled the stuffing out of their toy chicken. Okay, here's the hydraulic valve. First lever is the red handle on it is for advancing the log. Next handle is for the pinch post. Mashes the log down into the trough. The little one next to it runs the winch. That runs the hydraulic chainsaw. It's hooked up to this dead man valve up here. All right, reach up and that turns on the hydraulics, and then I can feed the bar down through the log. Oil tank there gives it a big squirt, just waste oil. They got a real good price on that at the dump. Then the split wood goes out on the outfeed table and then on the rack. The forklift carries it down out of the woods into the sunshine to let her dry out. And that's about all there is to it.